What is going on, everybody? Today we are working on the S2000. I believe it's a 2007 S2000, all original, all OEM stuff. It was in a little bit of a fender bender, so we're taking care of the rear bumper. That was on backward, but we finally got it. So we're prepping that for paint. We also have the rear trunk lid as well, and then we're repairing the front bumper as well as the hood and the quarter panels. Those are all getting repaired. Yeah, just making this thing look peachy, brand new. OEM, all OEM parts. It's nuts. This thing is so clean.
I got these panels all blocked out here with 320 grit, and now I'm just going over all of my 320 grit scratches with 600 grit on a D8. I'm making sure that I have all those scratches out, and then once it's fully prepped, I'm gonna get it masked up and painted. I actually am really stoked to be working on this car because the reason I bought the Miata out there, I don't know if you can see it, it's because I couldn't afford an S2000. So yeah, I love these
basically
cars.
the same car, except this one's just way better.
This is just a better, I mean, I wouldn't say better, because a lot of people would tell you that the NA Miata is better for being a track car, but I just think that this is an amazing car.
Old school JDM.
Yeah.
Classic.
It is.
There's a little scuff right here that I'm trying to block out, but will only take a second.
Details.
Get all these edges sanded.
S2000 is going in to the paint booth. Painting the S2000 right now. What'd you say you saw when you looked at the spray out card?
It's like slightly too dark. Look at this compared. See how bright that red is? Obviously, the S2000 is not that bright red, but this is the factory color off the computer there, and it's too dark. So I'm gonna add some of this red, you can see, to try to lighten it up.
Heat extractors.
Well, just trying to get them smooth as glass, so I'm out here block sanding this primer off. See, I gotta get little specks of dirt in the primer. I gotta get those out.
So Danny painted the S2000 yesterday. He painted the hood and the front quarter panels. I think he's gonna repaint the quarter panels because the clear was messed up or something. But the hood looks amazing as always. Excited to get this S2000 buttoned up. Nathan, how was painting your heat extractors?
Challenging.
Challenging?
I keep getting debris and dirt or something in the finish, so I gotta treat it like it's an illness, and I want to keep my distance. That's what I learned.